complain about this parrot, which I purchased not half an hour ago from this very boutique.
Ah, yes, the Norwegian blue. What's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with it. It's dead.
It's rested.
Look here, mate. I know a dead parrot when I see one, and I'm looking at one right now.
No, he's resting. A remarkable bird, the Norwegian blue. Beautiful plumage.
The plumage don't enter into it. It's stone dead.
No, he's resting.
If he's resting, I'll wake him up. Hello, Polly. I've got a lovely fresh cuttlefish for you in the show.
There, we moved.
No, he didn't.
I never.
Yes, you
I
did.
never did anything.
Testing. Listen, I'll Now that is what I call a dead parrot.
You've stunned him. You stunned him just as he was waking up. Norwegian blues stun easily, sir.
Look here, I've had enough of this. That parrot is definitely deceased. And when I purchased it not half an hour ago from this shop, you assured me that its total lack of movement was due to it being tired and shagged out following a prolonged swap.
Well, it's probably pining for the fjords.
Pining for the fjords? What kind of talk is that? Look, why did it fall flat its back the moment I got home?
The Norwegian blue first kicked him on its back, sir. Remarkable bird, isn't it? Beautiful plumage.
Look, I took the liberty of examining that parrot once I got him home, and I discovered the only reason he'd been sitting on his perch was that he had been nailed there.
Of course he was nailed there. If I hadn't nailed him down, he would have nuzzled up to those bars, bent him apart with its beak, and VOOM!
Voom! This bird in vooming put 4 million volts to it. It's bleeding demise.
No, it isn't. Look, it's resting.
He's not resting, he's passed on. This parrot is no more. He has ceased to be. He is expired and gone to meet his maker. He's asleep, bereft of life. If you hadn't nailed him to the perch, he'd be pushing up the daisies. These metabolic processes are history. He's kicked a bucket. He'd run down the perch and join the choir invisible. This is an ex-parrot.
Well, I better replace it then. Sorry, sir. I've had a look around, and I'm afraid we're fresh out of parrots.
I see. I get the picture.
I've got a slug.
A slug? Does it talk?
Not really.
Well, then it's hardly a replacement now, is it? If you want to get something done this time, you have to complain to the blue in the face.